Telegram has become even safer and more functional due to a new update that suddenly came out in the middle of the month. Let's take a look at the latest update together, and at the end I'm gonna tell you about a super cool killer feature that the Messenger finally got, so make sure you watch till the end. Welcome to the Teleblog channel, and let's get started. In mid-July, unexpected to many other messengers, Telegram introduced a new, minor update of its app for different platforms. But like always, there are many useful features in the Durov's app. The first one concerns security. Now, if you have access to your Telegram account, you can change your cloud password even if you didn't give your recovery email. By resetting your password without the email, in the new version, the Messenger offers you to wait for 7 days, and only after the expiration date will you be able to do this. At the same time, when you click Reset Password, Telegram will send a service message about an attempt to reset your account password. If you didn't do it, you have the option to deny the request. When 7 days pass after the request to reset your password, in the privacy settings, click Cloud Password, and then you can change it without giving your previous password. In the previous update, iOS users got new animations in Telegram. Indeed, they look very smooth and beautiful. Stickers and emojis now seamlessly hop from your keyboard into the chat. Android users were upset they didn't get this, but with a fresh update, they finally got that message bubble that flies into the chat. Of course, it's not something unique, but it makes the experience of using Telegram more fascinating and just nicer. Moreover, Telegram updated their screen sharing feature. I'll remind you that with the previous massive update, the Messenger introduced group video calls and screen sharing in group chat rooms. Many complained that the developers forgot to add sound sharing too. With a fresh update, they have improved those things, and now iOS and Android users can share their screens together with the sound. I tried it out on all mobile platforms, and it works. The desktop version also came with an update, and here they got the Share System Audio button, which is responsible for sharing the sound. By the way, I don't know about you, but sharing screen works perfectly in the desktop version, both with the video and the audio. And still there are some problems on mobile platforms that are related to the quality of the video, because there are some glitches and other nuances, but I hope that the Telegram developers will improve that soon too. Next, we're having some more interesting improvements in the new update, as well as a super killer, long-awaited feature, so bear with me. In the meantime, subscribe to the channel please and join our community if you're not with us yet. Here you'll find out all the latest news about Telegram and other social media apps. Welcome! The Telegram developers introduced some small but pleasant improvements for the Android users. Now when you open the app and the greeting window appears, the Start Communication button is animated. Moreover, choosing several messages in the chat has become even more convenient. You can just long press not only on the text itself, but also on any area around, for example somewhere in front of the text, which will lead to a checkbox, and you'll be able to select multiple messages. In addition to audio sharing, when sharing the screen, the desktop version of Telegram has an image editor. Click on the picture you're going to send and choose one of the options. You can flip the image, mirror it, resize it, draw something on it, and use your favorite stickers or masks. Then you just click Done and send the final version to the chat. And this is another thing that I've been waiting for a very long time. Now, when you record a video message, Telegram allows you to zoom in. You can just zoom in with 2 fingers and you get a closer image. On Android it works with both cameras, while on iOS for some reason it's not available for the front camera. And although it's not the biggest Telegram update, as you can see there are lots of new improvements that other messengers don't have. As always, share in the comments what you liked the best and what you think is absolutely unnecessary. Let's discuss it together. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching. It's the Teleblog channel. Subscribe and be trendy.